Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa matatu cia Super Eastern Region Festas Mwiti ene matatu aya maugite kuongerereka kwa ngarama ya muturire nikuo kuhinyiriirie kuongerera marihi niguo gutigirira ene matatu matiguthii hathara nene hindi iria maraheana motungata ma gukua athii.
We appeal to our customers. We are now increasing a very small amount that we can be able to maintain the vehicles on the road and then give them the service that they deserve.
Mwiti ugete farafara nyingi guku bururi-ini ni irabatara guthondekwo na kwararamio makiria niguo kunina muhatikano wa ngari farafara-ini kuona ngari ni ikoretwo igicungiriria mitino mingi kumana na gukundera gwa farafara.
Our roads were designed very long time ago in 1960s, and as a result they are very narrow. That time when they were designed, we had very few vehicles that we couldn't get one vehicle at a time. Now we have very many vehicles.
Oho Mwiti ugite mawatho ma farafara ni mekwenda kurorwo keri niguo gutigirira ahuthiri othe a farafara ni megukorwo na ugitiri mihango-ini yao.
The mechoke rules should also be enforced to see that everything is okay. That our matatu are blamed wherever there is an accident. But other road users also, they should take precautions and they should observe the traffic rules.
Ene matatu aya maugite ni maikarite ihinda iraya matongereire marihi ma ngari undu uria utumite makorwo magitara hathara. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wanjikũ wa Waweru.